Okay, and welcome to your video tutorial on quadrilaterals. Today we are going to have a look at quadrilaterals and what we can do and how we can use information that we will learn to solve geometrical problems. Okay, here's the big one. I've given you a printout of different types of quadrilaterals. It won't appear in this video tutorial. Don't worry, stick them in. But I'm not going to waste your time by going, this is a kite, this is a trapezium, this is a parallelogram. They all have indicators and lines on them to tell you things about their sides and their angles. Work it out. You guys are smart. The thing that you do need to know is that interior angles of a quadrilateral are equal to 360. You need to know that fun fact. Okay, you can't get away with it. Essentially because I know that a triangle is 180 and a quadrilateral is basically two triangles put together. So it's double, 360. Okay, find the size of the unknown angle. This is easy. Depends on, again, I know in the video tutorials I dictate a process. If you can look at this and go, well, the whole thing's 360, minus 90, minus 110, minus 120 will give me X, it's fine. Work it out whatever way you want. I'm just going to work it out algebraically because I'm a maths teacher and that's how I roll. But whatever way you want to work this out, that's fine. I'm going to go X plus 110 plus, I know that that means 90, plus 90 plus 120 equals 360. I'm just going to work it out algebraically because that's just how I roll. So 110 plus 90 plus 120, let's group some like terms. That's going to equal 100 plus 90, 190, 200, 320. X plus 320 equals 360. Okay, I have to get rid of the 320. If it's a plus 320, I minus 320. If I minus 320 from this side, I minus 320 from that side. That cancels out. X equals, what's 360 minus 320? Well, 40 degrees. Okay, the unknown angle is 40. It's pretty simple. Okay, if we look at this one here, I know I have parallel sides. Okay, there's a few things that I do know. I know that this guy here is actually co-interior. Okay, so 60 plus something needs to equal 180. So X plus 60 equals 180. Okay, X plus 60 equals 180. Well, what plus 60? Minus 60 from that side, minus 60 from that side. What plus 60 equals 180? Well, it's 120. Okay, and there's a cool thing about parallelograms. Okay, and it only works in parallelograms. Okay, what actually happens is that opposite sides are equal in a parallelogram. So if that's 120 degrees, Y is going to be 120 degrees. Okay, if X is 60 degrees, its opposite side is going to be 60 degrees. So X equals 120, therefore Y equals 120. Okay, that's 60 degrees. Okay, therefore Z equals 60 degrees as well. Because opposite angles in a parallelogram are equal. Only in a parallelogram. Okay, let's look at this guy here. I have a kite. Okay, a kite has a pair of angles that are equal and they're opposites. Okay, they're only one pair. If we look, that side is equal to that side. This side is equal to this side. Which means that the angle in here and the angle in here are going to be equal. Okay, these ones here are different, but those two angles are going to be equal. So if this is 100 over here, it's going to be 100 over there. Okay, so X plus 100 plus 100 plus 30 is going to equal 360. Okay, so X plus 100, 200, 230, X plus 230 is going to equal 360. Okay, X, I'll minus 230 from this side to cancel that out. I'll minus 230 from that side to cancel that out. X is going to be equal to 130 degrees. So because these two sides here, oh, sorry, whoops, I did that on the wrong colour. Whoopsie daisies. Because this side here and that side there are equal. And this side here, well, let's draw over the top, thank you. This side here and that side there are equal, it means that this angle in here and this angle in here are equal. Not this and this one, but these two opposite ones just there. So if that's 100, that's going to be 100, then I can use the rest of the information in order to work out x.